together to celebrate the robotics and STEAM education where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics come alive through innovation, creativity, and problem solving. With our programs, as you can see, we use different types of educational robotics kits from kinder to senior high school. So for today, we come together and use those educational robotics kits to finish our mission. And all our missions here are all connected to solving the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So this event highlights not only the technical skills, but also the teamwork, critical thinking, and real-world application.
You can really feel the spirit. But I wonder who will be the reigning champions after this competition. Will the reigning champion be coming from Luzon?
Will it be from Visayas?
Or from the beautiful Mindanao?
Never ever underestimate today. Never underestimate yourself. Some of you here will become engineers, scientists, teachers, entrepreneurs, and leaders. But more importantly, we hope that all of you will become problem solvers with heart, innovators with values, and builders of a better future.
Let's not wait any longer. I'm sure the kids are all set, and it's time to get those robots ready. Let the 11th Philippine Robothon begin!
Good afternoon to our brilliant young innovators, our dedicated teachers, and our partners in education. We would like to thank University of San Agustin for graciously hosting the 11th Robothon, a place where faith, character, and excellence continue to shape future leaders. Thank you very much for opening your doors to imagination, creativity, and possibility. To our students, today is not just a competition. Today is a moment when curiosity becomes courage, when ideas take form, when you discover that you are capable of building something that did not exist before. When you assemble a robot, write code, and solve a problem, you are doing something much bigger than winning a prize. You are training your mind to ask better questions. You are learning to fail forward, to try again, and to persevere. You are discovering that technology is not about machines. It is about people and purpose. May this Robothon plant a seed in you, a seed of confidence, a seed of purpose, a seed to build bold dreams. Keep building, keep dreaming, and never stop believing that you can change the world one idea at a time. Again, thank you very much and congratulations to all of you.